Welcome to WPI's Digital Badge Program for Systems Engineering. WPI is pleased to announce a coming attraction we think you'll be very excited to hear about, our Digital Badging Program. We are designing microcourses focused on introductory systems engineering topics. Each of these microcourses is self-paced and online. Each short lecture is followed by a short knowledge check quiz. When you finish the lecture and quizzes, you're awarded a certificate of completion. We're designing the badges for systems engineering awareness. When you complete the necessary microcourses, you can stack them up to make an awareness badge. WPI Systems Engineering Awareness Badges are being designed to align with the INCOSE Competency Framework. The learning objectives include the knowledge indicators from the awareness level proficiency. For example, the Architecture Awareness Badge will address all of the circled knowledge indicators from the awareness level proficiency. We also have a Systems Engineering Fundamentals Badge that covers the INCOSE Systems Engineering Handbook learning objectives. The key to this learning opportunity is the independent self-study approach. You can start, stop, and complete a microcourse at your own pace. Let's say your new role will interact with the systems architecture team. The Architecture Basics microcourse will give you a good introduction. The DODAF Basics microcourse will give you an overview of the DoD architecture framework. The Architecture Awareness Badge will give you the basic architecture concepts aligned with the INCOSE awareness level proficiency. Let's say you're new to systems engineering. You might be a mechanical engineer that's working with systems engineers, a manager that has systems engineers reporting to you, or new to the systems engineering team on a new program. The Systems Engineering Fundamentals Badge will give you the vocabulary and context to understand basic systems engineering concepts. Let's say you're a practicing systems engineer and you have an interest in what systems thinking is. The Systems Thinking Basics microcourse will give you a good introduction to the perspectives, language, and tools. The Systems Thinking Awareness Badge will give you the basic systems thinking concepts aligned with the INCOSE awareness level proficiency. Each microcourse covers a systems engineering topic as an introduction or an overview. They're short, about an hour of lecture, broken into 4 or 5 short lectures. All of the content is included in the video lecture. We provide some references if you're interested in more information, but there's no assigned reading in our microcourse. Each short lecture is followed by a knowledge check quiz with 5 multiple choice questions. The quiz questions are based on the lecture slides and narrative as a knowledge check. You need to get 4 out of 5 correct to proceed to the next lecture. You can retake the quiz either to achieve the threshold to proceed or to improve your score. The questions are pulled from a quiz bank, so you're not likely to see the same questions again. The system will keep the highest score, so if you do achieve 4 out of 5, you can try again to see if you can get 100. When you complete the last quiz, you're automatically awarded a certificate of completion. Let's look at the Systems Thinking Basics microcourse as an example. There are 4 lectures. Introduction to Systems Thinking, that provides the systems thinking perspective and language. Overview of System Archetypes, that provides an overview of common archetypes and potential mitigations. Overview of Systems Thinking Tools that provides an overview of common systems thinking tools, including the iceberg model, causal loops, stock and flow diagrams, and others. Introduction to a Systems Thinking Approach introduces a 10-step approach to using the systems thinking tools to solve complex problems. At the end of each lecture, you're presented with 5 multiple choice questions related to the information provided in the lecture. Once you've completed a set of microcourses, you can stack up the certificates of completion for the awareness badge. Each badge has between 10 and 15 microcourses in it. In some cases, one microcourse may apply to multiple badges. For example, the Architecture Basics microcourse is part of the SE Fundamentals badge. and the Architecture Awareness Badge. There may be options within a badge. For example, there are 4 Architecture Framework microcourses. The DODAF microcourse is required for the Architecture Awareness Badge. You can choose the ZACMAN, TOGAF, or FEEP microcourse for the other framework requirement in the Architecture Awareness Badge. Are you interested? Have we intrigued you enough to want to explore this? You're in luck. We're offering the Systems Thinking Basics microcourse free of charge to INCOSE members through the end of the year. You can test drive the microcourse and see how it works. Are you ready to try it? Contact Don Gilash for more information about the program and the free trial.